Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 9 latest defense updates. Number 1, Tejas MK2 rollout on track for late 2025. Former DRDO Chief Dr. G. Satish Reddy, speaking at the Emerging Technologies in Defense event hosted by the Madras Management Association in Chennai, confirmed that the rollout of the Tejas MK2 fighter jet is progressing as planned. According to Dr. Reddy, the rollout is scheduled to take place between September and October 2025, marking a major milestone in India's indigenous defense aviation program. The Tejas Mk2 is the next generation iteration of the light combat aircraft program designed to bridge the gap between the existing Tejas Mk1 and Mk1A variants and India's fifth generation advanced medium combat aircraft, that is MKA. Next, the security implications of Starlink in India. As India strides towards enhanced digital connectivity, the introduction of satellite internet services like Starlink presents both significant opportunities and potential challenges. Developed by SpaceX, Starlink aims to deliver high-speed internet to even the most remote regions using a constellation of low Earth orbit satellites. While this technology has the potential to bridge the digital divide, it also raises serious concerns about national security, particularly in sensitive or troubled regions. Starlink's ability to function independently of traditional terrestrial internet infrastructure is one of its greatest strengths, but also its most pressing challenge. Unlike conventional internet services, which rely on physical network within a country, Starlinks provide connectivity directly via satellites and small ground terminals. Next, Pakistan will have an edge over India with the J-35 fighter jet. Pakistan has reportedly cleared the procurement of advanced J-35 fighter jet, with deliveries expected to commence within the next 24 months. This significant development, reported by 24 News HD, underscores a major modernization effort by the Pakistan Air Force. The move is seen as a critical step in bolstering Pakistan's air combat capabilities, with PAF pilots already undergoing training on the platform. The J-35 is China's latest fifth-generation stealth fighter, designed as a carrier-based aircraft but adaptable for land-based operations. It incorporates advanced stealth features, modern avionics, and a robust sensor suite, positioning it as a formidable opponent in the skies. Equipped with SR radar, internal weapon base, and high maneuverability, the J-35 is expected to enhance the PAF's ability to conduct a wide range of missions, from air superiority to deep strike operations. Next, successful tests K4 SLBM from INS Arihant. Indian Navy Chief Admiral R. Hari Kumar recently confirmed the successful test of a submarine-launched ballistic missile. While details regarding the missile's trajectory and specifics were not disclosed, it is widely speculated that the test involved the K4 SLBM, marking a significant achievement for India's strategic deterrence capabilities. Reports suggest that the test was conducted from the nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarine INS Arihant, and for the first time, the missile was tested at its full operational range. The K4, developed by the DRDO, is a key component of India's nuclear triad, offering a range of up to 3,500 kilometers. Next, prototype of CATS Warrior UCAV is still under fabrication. Recent reports circulating on social media platforms, particularly on X, formerly Twitter, suggesting that HAL CATS Warrior unmanned combat aerial vehicle has already conducted its maiden flight are inaccurate. HAL has clarified that the development of the 1.1-ton Warrior Loyal Wingman prototype is still in the fabrication stage, with its first flight expected only in the later months of 2025. The Combat Air Teaming System, that is CATS Warrior, an ambitious project under HAL's umbrella, aims to develop an advanced Loyal Wingman UCAV designed to operate alongside manned fighter jets like the Tejas and MKII. Next, Navy close to sealing Rafale M deal for carrier operations. Indian Navy Chief Admiral Dinesh K. Tripathi has confirmed that the long-awaited deal for 26 Rafale M fighter jets is nearing completion and could be finalized within the next 2 months. This acquisition marks a significant step forward for enhancing the Navy's air combat capabilities, particularly to its aircraft carrier operations. The deal is set to include 22 single-seater Rafale M50 F4 variants specially tailored for carrier-based operations and 4 twin-seater Rafale B F4 variants for training purposes. Next, Maritime Spotter Drone, a report. In a significant achievement for India's maritime security, the Indian Navy seized 500 kg of crystal meth in Arabian Sea with the instrumental assistance of the Maritime Spotter Drone supplied by Sagar Defence Engineering. This operation underscores the growing importance of cutting-edge drone technology in safeguarding national waters and combating drug trafficking. The Maritime Spotter Drone, developed by the Indian company Sagar Defence Engineering, played a pivotal role in the successful interception of the narcotics shipment. Its advanced surveillance and reconnaissance capabilities enabled precise monitoring and tracking, providing the Indian Navy with crucial intelligence to execute the operation. Next, Indian Navy keeping watch on Chinese Navy in IOR, that is Indian Ocean region. The Indian Navy Chief Admiral Dinesh K. Tripathi on Monday said that the Maritime Force keeps a watch on the Chinese PLA Navy in the Indian Ocean region. The naval chief said that the Chinese Navy was manifesting itself more in the Pacific Ocean and ensuring that Indian interests in the Indian Ocean are not affected. Next, Putin to visit India in early 2025. Dates yet to be finalized. Russian President Vladimir Putin is expected to visit India in early 2025 following an invitation from Prime Minister Narendra Modi, confirmed Kremlin aide Yuri Ushakov. The visit is being planned as part of the ongoing commitment to annual meeting between the two leaders. Our leaders have an agreement to meet once a year. This time it is our turn, Ushakov said during a press briefing. Thank you.